how to take measures for arm harness. For example, no. First we have to take round from this point. It's behind the bone, which is here near the wrist. So you need to have this round. When you take round with your measure tape, put some finger here and then take a number. Same way, you need to take a measure from from the biggest round of muscle. So also here is the muscles, and you take also with a finger. You take a finger and then you take your size. Here, you watch it. Next, we have to take length from here to the bone. Here. Next, we take measure from here, from the end of the shoulder. Here is the bone, like this. And we have to take a length from this end of the bone to center of elbow. And very important size is here the biceps muscle. You have also to take it with the finger. So no, you have to take round sizes with a finger under the tape and sizes of length without any additional centimeters. So we don't need anything more, just as the tape says. So if you take a good measures, round with the fingers and length the same number as is on the tape, your arm harness will be exactly for your hands. And also, very important note, we show here sizes on without gambizons, padding, any arming doublet. So you should take sizes from staff, which would be arms put it on. So if it will be gambizon, you have to take sizes from gambizon. If it would be gambizon and chainmail, you should take it from gambizon and chainmail. So it's very important. So I guess this is it. Thank you.
Never.